Hi, my name is Allison and I'm a junior at Okemos High School. A fun fact about myself is that I like to draw. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper envelope. What you'll need is a square piece of paper and either glue or tape. In this video I'll be using tape. The first thing you'll want to do is take two corners of your paper and line them up in the middle of the paper. After this, you'll want to fold the edges down and crease them so they stay flat. Then you'll want to take the bottom flap of your paper and fold it up, but not all the way to the center. Make sure to leave a little bit of room from the other corners of the paper and then fold and crease the flap. Then you'll want to take the bottom corner of your paper and fold it up about halfway to the center. Crease the edge, and once you're done, repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you're done, you'll want to take the entire bottom half of your paper and fold it up. This will end up being the bottom flap of your envelope. Make sure to either tape the edges down, or you can use glue and glue where I'm pointing with my fingers. Finally, you'll want to take the top corner of your paper and fold it down so that you have the top flap of your envelope. Make sure to crease the paper, and then you'll have your envelope. This can hold a card, and this can hold coins, this can hold just about anything. This is really helpful for if you don't have your own envelope, or if you want a plain envelope that you can decorate. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that your school libraries have a lot of great books for you to choose from. Keep reading, keep learning, and thank you for watching.